Welcome back to the next video. Oh god. Back with another video. And today we are doing another cooking with Andrew. Here we go. Today we have a special guest, Max Fitzsimmons. Come on in the camera. As you know, he was in the last episode. Today we will be making crepes. Let's go. You'll need a blender. Pop it up. Woo! All right. So, first thing you want to do is have an egg. Here, you can do the other crack.
The one that I made.
And make sure you get all the shells in there.
This looks like Tom Cassidy. As you can see, I made it myself.
Can you stop sticking things in front of the camera? You don't want to see. No, your egg.
Hey, there's no shell.
Yes, there is. It's fine. Gives it a crunch.
Did you see this?
No, just put it in there. All right, next, you're going to want your butter. Make sure it's melted. Next, you're going to want your water.
Wait, no,
we don't really know how much it is. It's fine.
We always like to leave some shell in there.
Then you're going to want your Holland 1% low-fat milk.
Has to be 1%.
Has to be. And you're going to want to just, I don't know. That looks about right.
You don't know?
No, I do know. I'm not telling them, remember? 3/4 cup. All right, set that aside. Final step is your flour.
Just clicked it.
Duke.
Duke.
Nook. So, guys, you're going to want some flour. I suggest using a lot. Dude, wait, we don't have a leveler.
Here, I have one.
Get a leveler. Always use level. Because you want it to be precise.
Dude,
no, don't swipe it that way. Oh,
there.
yeah. Now swipe it.
Get it in there.
Yeah, now slick it.
You know it's very bad for you to
That's
pack it
not
down.
good slick.
Yeah, it's because you're a freaking...
And you put your flour in there.
Oh.
And everything. No, you don't use that. You sped.
packed.
No!
It has to be flour.
Dude, you're sped.
You're fucking down.
I know. I'm culinary.
Break
Stop.
it up.
No, you don't do that. You blend it.
It doesn't matter.
All right. And
it's not covered, retard.
Dude, stop.
Put this over the tip. No, it's gonna come out.
Stop. Well, stop messing with my system.
Oops, I forgot it was glass.
Yeah, you're spec. All right. And then you're going to want to put it on the pulse setting.
Oops, use some flour.
Dude, what the heck? Put it on the pulse setting for 10 seconds. Oh, and you have to count too. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow. And then you open it up and smell it.
Probably smells like shit.
And it looks pretty good. I think what is that?
What is
that the butter?
Wait.
Here, we're gonna give it another 5 seconds.
You keep us.
Should we give it 2 more seconds?
Is that what you feel is necessary?
All right, and what you have is now you have your crepe base, and you're gonna want to pop that out of your system, stick it in the fridge for an hour.
Don't you want to cook it first?
No, you stick it in the fridge for an hour.
Why does it matter?
And we'll get back to you.
You're gonna put it on.
Boom! What is up, guys? Back. All right, and today we are now to the next stage of cooking. After your crepe mix has been sitting in the fridge for just a while, you're gonna want to grab it out. It's gonna look good. I'm telling you that. All right, let's get cooking. Is stirring the butter around. You have to lube up the pan. Otherwise, it will stick. And don't really worry about
Juicing.
it being bad on the first one, because it's mostly how it's like. I suggest getting a 1/4 cup and scooping it out. Now, as you scoop it,
terrible scoop.
you have to act fast. You have to pour it on, but at the same time, stir it
That's
around.
not enough.
Okay. The first one's always going to be bad. We know that. And you want to stir it around. It doesn't have...
What are you doing? You have to make make it around the whole thing.
Stop! I want it to be the cook. You can cook too.
Do you not have an apron? The cook always has to make.
Alright, as you have your first crepe on the border, I'll show you guys what it should look like. There we go. Now, it really only takes a really quick time for this. Now, if you want to try the professional flip, now as you know it's ready, it's not that there's going to be bubbles popping, it's that you will be able to move it on the pan. You see the product is finished. Flip it over for him.
Dude, stop.
Alright, you're doing the flip.
It's so bad. Why
It's not even cooked yet.
This one's yours.
I'm not eating it. See your flip.
Dude, this one's yours. It's like loose.
I'm not eating this.
It's gonna break. What the fuck? Alright, I think it's...
You see, we've gotten pretty good at this. We got our first crepe made over here. Nice and crispy. This one's the most advanced. Oh yeah, there's definitely some movement in there. It's looking good. Hey guys, I'll give you a detailed information of this. Come this way. This is the flip. Okay, we'll try that. Oh! It looks so good. Alright, just redo that, because I know you had it facing yourself. Ready?
That's yours. That's yours.
Well, at least it's crispy. Dude, that one could have been good.
It's so dumb. Snoopy.
Ew. Gross fuck.
You stink.
Yeah.
Oh my god, you stink.
Butter it up.
Holy crap. Oh, I thought you were gonna put the whole thing in.
See you next time.